Since humanity first gazed up at the stars, the question, "Are we alone?" has captivated our imagination. The quest to uncover extraterrestrial life blends curiosity, technology, and science into a story that spans centuries. Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey through the cosmos, exploring our relentless quest to find life beyond Earth. The concept of extraterrestrial life is ancient. In the 16th century, philosopher Giordano Bruno proposed that the stars were other suns, each potentially hosting its own planets and life forms. Later, Immanuel Kant mused about islands of life scattered throughout the vast universe. These early ideas laid the groundwork for more structured scientific inquiries. In the 1960s, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence took a significant leap forward with astronomer Frank Drake's pioneering efforts. Drake initiated the first SETI experiment, known as Project Ozma, which aimed to detect radio signals from nearby stars. This marked the beginning of a systematic scientific approach to the search for alien civilizations. SETI employs powerful radio telescopes, such as the Arecibo Observatory and the Green Bank Telescope, to listen for narrow bandwidth radio signals. These signals are thought to be potential communications from advanced civilizations. The challenge lies in distinguishing genuine signals from cosmic background noise and interference. The vast amount of data collected requires advanced algorithms and powerful computing systems. Researchers use techniques like Fourier analysis and machine learning to sift through the data, searching for patterns that could indicate extraterrestrial origins. The Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, represented a major breakthrough in our search for habitable planets. By monitoring the brightness of stars and detecting tiny dips in light caused by planets passing in front of them, Kepler identified thousands of exoplanets, many of which reside in their star's habitable zone. The habitable zone, or Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Finding exoplanets within this zone is crucial, as liquid water is considered a fundamental ingredient for life as we know it. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, is set to explore exoplanet atmospheres with unprecedented detail. Future missions such as LUVOIR and HabEx aim to conduct even deeper studies, searching for biosignatures and technosignatures, indicators of life or advanced technologies. Closer to home, Mars has been a focal point in our search for life. Rovers such as Curiosity and Perseverance are equipped with advanced instruments to analyze Martian soil and rocks. They search for organic molecules, study the planet's geology, and seek signs of ancient water. Mars's surface features, including ancient river valleys and lake beds, suggest that liquid water was once present. Understanding Mars's past climate and geology helps scientists assess its potential to have supported life. Jupiter's moon, Europa, and Saturn's moon. Enceladus are intriguing targets due to their subsurface oceans beneath icy crusts. The presence of liquid water, coupled with heat generated by tidal forces, creates an environment where life could potentially thrive. The Europa Clipper mission, scheduled for launch in the 2020s, will perform detailed reconnaissance of Europa's ice shell and subsurface ocean. Similarly, future missions to Enceladus will analyze its plumes, which eject material from the Moon's ocean into space. The search for extraterrestrial life is a global endeavor. Space agencies and research institutions from around the world, including NASA, ESA, and JAXA, collaborate to pool resources, share data, and advance our understanding of the universe. Public engagement and education are crucial in the search for extraterrestrial life. Citizen science projects, educational programs, and public outreach initiatives foster curiosity and involve people in the quest for knowledge. Projects like the Mars Image Search allow the public to assist in analyzing rover images, contributing to our understanding of Mars. The search for extraterrestrial life reflects humanity's enduring curiosity and ambition. It challenges us to think beyond our planet and explore the unknown. Each discovery, whether it's a new exoplanet or a hint of life on Mars, brings us closer to answering one of the greatest questions of all. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the search for extraterrestrial life remains a testament to our quest for knowledge and our desire to understand our place in the universe. The journey may be long, but each step forward brings us closer to uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the search for extraterrestrial life. The cosmos is vast and full of wonder, and our quest to explore it continues to drive human ingenuity and curiosity. Until our next adventure, keep looking to the stars.